What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Royalmarc Reviews video. Today I'm going to be doing an As Seen on TV product, CRUMBIE. Now the CRUMBIE is for life's little messes. It's a miniature vacuum, 12,000 RPM micro vortex motor. It says use on hard surfaces and upholstered surfaces. Keep it in your glove compartment, diaper bag, kitchen drawer, bedside table, and office. Now, supposedly this is great for cleaning up those little spills, and for those of you that have children, they are plentiful. And rather than dragging out the big vacuum to clean up some spilled sugar or play sand, you can fire up this little guy. So we're going to see how it works. Obviously, you guys know I have a small child and he is prone to making messes. He gets that from his daddy. So I guess this could be just as much for me as it is for him. Well, there it is. Okay, those are little brushes. Not sure. I don't know why there would be brushes, to be quite honest with you, because it's not like it moves around. Maybe it's just to help sweep it into a pile. If it's good for upholstery, it would probably help get it if it's embedded into like the seat cracks or something in your car maybe. But that is it. Takes 2 AA batteries. They go somewhere. Real quick, there's the on-off switch on the side right there. It's kind of hard to see it. It blends in pretty well, but there's a little thing on the front there that you can see that says push. So maybe that's where the batteries go. No. That is the debris compartment. Okay. I've got the battery compartment figured out. What it is you've got the top shell here, but you twist the top to the left and open it up. Batteries are not included. I just put those in there, put the lid back on and give it a little twist. You're good to go. I don't know. Sounds a mite shy of 12,000 RPM. So I'm guessing that is full speed ahead. Crumb busting brush bristles. That's what those are on the bottom, just in case you were curious. 12,000 RPM micro vortex motor and a fusion mesh air filter. It's amazing how everything sounds so technologically advanced. So let's turn the CRUMBIE on and see how it handles the sugar spill. Oh my goodness. Wow, that was actually really surprising. I expected this to be a complete and total joke. That worked exceptionally well. I'm almost speechless. I gotta say, this has probably surprised me more than any other As Seen on TV product that I've messed around with. Test number 2. And there you go. That was that's pretty flawless. I have to say, I figured that it wasn't going to work at all. Is pretty exceptional performance for a $9.99 thing that I figured was going to be something you would throw away because it's just that ridiculous. Let's try upholstery. This will be fun. Let's try it on a pillow, shall we? Because now this is where I think it's going to go bad. I think what's going to happen is it's going to end up with these brushes is going to end up flinging the sugar off of here. Wow, again. Okay, so even on upholstery, this little bugger does pretty well. For $10 and for it to clean that pillow with sugar on it as well as it did, this is 100% worth spending $9.99 on it to have something that you can just grab to clean up life's little messes. Like I said, there's 3 different models. You've got the bumblebee, which we have, the ladybug, and the turtle. Kids. If you have kids and they make messes, they would actually clean up their own mess with this. So that's a great little device for you to purchase for your benefit and for them to have fun with it. I can tell you right now, when Royal makes a mess with his indoor play sand, this guy right here, here's your bag of sand, son, and here's your vacuum cleaner to clean up after yourself. I have been thoroughly amazed. That is probably the most shocked I've been with an As Seen on TV product right there. There's been a couple of them that have surprised me. This one is probably the most. There's the trap with all the sugar in it. So it keeps it in there. And, oh, what's this? Oh, looky there. Okay. There's your air filter. Didn't realize that. So you pull that out, run it under some water, let it dry, and you are good to go. There's the inside. You just push that in there. There's little arms on the side that just catch under a lip. A hot little item. I'm impressed. So I hope that helps you out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like, comment down below. If you have anything that you would like me to review, you can leave that in the comments as well, and I will try to accommodate as much as possible. And if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe right up here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.